Attorneys for former President Donald Trump are fighting a special counsel's request to curb his public comments in a case involving his handling of classified documents. This move aims to prevent Trump from making statements that could endanger law enforcement officers. The special counsel's team argues that Trump's claims, like FBI agents being authorized to shoot him during a search of his Mar-a-Lago estate, are misleading and dangerous. Trump's legal team fired back, calling the request extraordinary, unprecedented, and unconstitutional censorship. They argue it's meant to silence him as he campaigns for the presidency. Prosecutors are worried that statements like Trump's false claim of an assassination attempt could pose risks to law enforcement officers who are part of the case. They highlight that the search followed standard procedures and was coordinated to ensure Trump's safety. Despite these concerns, Trump's team insists this gag order targets his campaign speech unfairly. They argue that the urgency of the motion ignored proper protocol, claiming they weren't given enough time to respond. Attorney General Merrick Garland slammed Trump's claims as extremely dangerous. He explained that the use of force policy Trump referred to is standard and was even applied during a search of President Joe Biden's home amid a similar investigation. It's important to note that Trump faces dozens of felony counts for unlawfully keeping classified documents at Mar-a-Lago and obstructing efforts to retrieve them, although he maintains his innocence. Senator Tim Scott deflected conversation about whether Trump's statements were dangerous, shifting the focus to anti-Semitism on college campuses, a growing concern that seems to get overlooked by liberal leaders. Trump's legal team also urges the judge to sanction the Justice Department's team for not adhering to local rules. They argue that the special counsel's motion is an unfair attack designed to hinder Trump's campaign. With Trump being a leading candidate for the presidency, this battle over his speech and the classified documents case could have significant implications for the upcoming election, adding yet another twist to the turbulent political landscape.